ladies, and welcome to a Friday afternoon. How exciting! We all have a weekend that lies ahead of us, and I hope you've got some exciting things planned for you. Here in Canberra, it's starting to cool down in the mornings and the evenings, and we're going out tonight, and I thought a good topic of conversation for today would be how to wear a scarf as things are cooling down. So as we go out, when we leave the house tonight, it will be warm, but by the time we start coming home in the evening, it will be chilly. So I have an idea, and the one is, first of all, take a scarf 1 meter by 1 meter and fold it diagonally across so that the two corners meet, and then take those corners and roll them towards the long end. Okay, so we're rolling towards the long end until we end up with that. Okay, now you take your handbag and you take the one strap and you're going to tie your scarf around the strap like that. Right, now we're going out for dinner looking stylish, and we're prepared in the back of our heads for the temperature to cool down. So now the temperature cools down and now you look super smart because you take off your scarf, off your handbag, okay, and you're going to open it out back to the square. Okay, so here we are, we're back to the square, and then you're going to take two ends and you're going to join them together like that, and the other two ends, and you're going to join them together like that, little knot. Okay, and then you have a little scarf. So you put your one arm in there, put your other arm in the other hole, and then you make sure that it's nice and around the neck, even, and there you go. You are beautiful and warm for a cool evening. Great idea. Okay, now we're going to go to idea number 3. So we're going to have 5 ways to wear a scarf today. So undo your knots. Okay, and you're going to go back to taking the two corners like that, and you're going to go back to rolling it towards the long end. Okay, so just rolling it towards the long end like that. Good. Now you put it around your neck, and you're going to make a knot in the one end, but a loose knot. Okay, loose knot. You're going to take the other end and you're going to put it through the hole. Now, there's 2 ways of doing this. You can either wear it casually like that, or if it's formal, you can take it up to your neck, tie the knot to a bit of a tie, and if you've got a suit jacket on, tucking it all in, looking very nice and chic and warm. Okay, that's idea number 3. Okay, now we're going to go to idea number 4. Okay, you take your scarf like that, you tie it into a knot in the middle. Okay, you take that around your neck, and now what we're doing is we're creating a warmth around the neck, but also a necklace. So you can just do it like that. You've got your necklace, and it can drape down your back and be pretty down your back like that. Okay, that's idea number 4. And idea number 5 is the good old-fashioned necklace, scarf, and that is you take it like that, you wrap it around your neck, you bring it back, you tie it into a knot, and there you're nice and snug and warm for a cool, crispy, really, really freezing cold morning or evening. And it gets really cold here in Canberra, so then you'd have your jacket on, all snug and warm. Okay, so that's some ideas for you, but the most important thing out of all of these ideas, which are exciting, is the color of the scarf. Okay, so if you're a gentle-natured person, look at pastel colors, pinks and blues up against your beautiful complexion. If you are dark-haired, dark-eyed, then go for darker colors with your favorite color in between, okay? And those will enhance your natural features. So that's my stylish idea for you for the weekend. Have fun shopping for your favorite scarf and be ready for Monday morning to wear it to work or wherever you're off to. And I'd love to see some photos of you posting what you've learned and putting it into play. Have a great weekend.